Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a black and white image in Photoshop in 1 minute. So first thing we do is go to image calculations. So as you can see, as soon as we do that, it will change our image to black and white. So now we're going to change our channel color here for source 1 to blue and source 2 to red. Now you can play around with this, see what looks the best for your image. And next thing we're going to do is change the blending mode to multiply or overlay. Overlay looks good as well. Maybe I'm going to stick with multiply. And now we're going to play around with our opacity settings to make it look more intense or less intense. Here we go to the left here. And adjust that as much as you want until you get what you like out of it. Now our result would be a new channel, and once you're happy, hit OK. Now if we go to the channels window in Photoshop here, you can see it's made a new channel for us, Alpha 1. Now what we can do here is press Command A on our keyboard, Command C to copy it, go back to layers, make a new layer, Command Shift N, and then we're going to press Command V to paste it. And as you can see here, it's pasted our new black and white image on a new layer for us. So now what we can do to make it even more intense or more dramatic is we can add an adjustment layer, curves, and you can play around with this to make it even more intense. And that is how to make a black and white image in Photoshop in 1 minute. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you later.